In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Clockify for effective time tracking on your projects. This integration is a game changer for productivity, allowing you to keep everything organized and in one place. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to enable the Clockify power-up in Trello. So, go ahead and log into your Trello account and navigate to the specific board where you want to track time. Once you're on your board, look at the top menu and you'll see an option called Power-Ups. Click on that to open the Power-Ups Marketplace. Now in the search bar, type in Clockify. Once it pops up, click on it and then you'll see an option that says Add. Click on that to enable the Clockify power-up for your board. It's that easy. Next up, we need to generate a Clockify API key. For this, open a new browser tab and log into your Clockify account. Once you're in, look for your preferences, which is usually in the top right corner. Click on that and navigate to Advanced Settings. Here you'll see an option labeled Manage API Keys. Click on that and then select Generate New. You'll need to name the token now. Something like Trello integration works well. After entering a name, go ahead and click Generate. Make sure to carefully copy the entire generated API token string, as you will need this to connect Trello and Clockify. Now it's time to connect Trello to Clockify. Return to your Trello board and open the Clockify power-up settings. You will see a designated field where you can paste the API token you just copied. Go ahead and do that. Once you've pasted the token, don't forget to click Save. This is essential as it finalizes the secure connection between Trello and Clockify. Great, we're almost there. Now, let's get to the exciting part, starting to track time. Go back to your Trello board and open any card on the board that corresponds to a task you want to track. Inside that card, you should now see a new Clockify section. Here's where the magic happens. Click on Start Timer to begin recording time for that specific task. You'll notice that as you work, the timer is actively capturing all the time you spend on the task. When you're finished, simply click Stop Timer. You can do this either within the Trello card or directly through the Clockify app. And the best part, all your data will stay synchronized in real time, ensuring you have accurate tracking. And that's it. You now have a seamless integration between Trello and Clockify, allowing you to manage your tasks and track your time efficiently. I hope you find this integration as beneficial for your workflow as many others do. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.